Welcome again to another one of our explainer videos. This one showcases some examples of our visual design and UI work. I've settled on showing the design work that we've recently completed for Sodexo and Tulare Valley, who supply a vast number of meals to the NHS and many other large organisations. This project envisions a new brand called Made that we helped formulate. This takes Tulare Valley forward in terms of its identity and its web presence, and also focuses very much on the new brand, which is all about the quality of the ingredients, the recipes and the expertise that this large organisation delivers. So all of the pages of this site were designed and built using our standard AI CMS platform. There was no development work required at all. Moreover, the whole project was turned around in only a few weeks, including all the client collaboration elements too. So hopefully you can see how unique this brand is, the work that we did, and how impactful the pages are.